Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a very fast video. It's nothing too big, nothing too small. It's going to probably be like a 2-3 minute video just to show you guys basically what's going on. So right now, if you have an ROG Ally, I'm actually on my desktop right now, as you can see right there. As you can see, you get the battery percentage. Let's just click on this real quick to open up the UI so you guys can actually see. Change this like that. As you can see right there, get all that extra stuff right there. So let's just put it right there. Turbo mode right there. So as you see, I'm on my ROG Ally. But the whole point of this video is basically to show you guys that there's a new update for MyAsus. So as you can see right here, this is the new update for MyAsus right there. I'm not going to go to a lot of the stuff because it does show my serial number and stuff like that. But it's a new UI, as you can actually see. You get your device stuff right here, battery care right here, system diagnosis, do your checkups and stuff right here. I will go to home, but I will have to probably put something in front of it just to block it, but I don't really want to go into that right now. You got your apps and deals, message center. What else? You have this right here. Not going to go into my router because I'm going to probably show my stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this actually device stuff right here so you can actually see right here. So if I go into home, you see actually things is a little bit different. So go home. I'm actually covering up my serial number right there. But now you can find out exactly what your stuff have. You got your hardware. See your new hard drive, you see your battery percentage, your CPU, your loads and stuff like that. Shows all that good stuff right there. So got your glide, your readmes, your information, your warranty, stuff like that. My warranty actually expires and on the 6th, January, February, March, April, May, June 22nd is when my actually expires. But yeah, that's the new UI look right here. So I just wanted to give you guys a little fast update to show you guys exactly how it looks. So basically you don't have to go into the system update to check for your updates. You can actually go home and click on check updates, and you can do it like that and basically get all your stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys this is a new update, and make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DY Easy gang. And I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.